Hello students. Today we are going to do something new, very new and very exciting also. Do you know what is that? Today we are going to do a science experiment. Experiment, yes. So what is that experiment? I'll tell you that later. First I want to ask you something. Have you seen air? Have you seen air? Can you see air? No, we cannot see air. Fan is moving. Yeah, I can feel air. I cannot see air. I can feel air. Do you know air occupies space? Air can fit in something. Do you know that? This is the experiment that we are going to do, that air takes some space also. How? I'll show you. Can you see what is this? Balloons? Yes. So this is the balloon and I will be calling Varsha ma'am here.
Hi everyone.
See, I have given one balloon to Varsha ma'am also, okay?
White balloon.
And I am having which color? Can you recognize this color? Blue color, okay. So take your hand and blow. Do like this. Done? What did you feel here? Air? You feel air? Now we'll blow this air in the balloon the same way. We are going to blow in the balloon. You will also blow. My balloon is filled. Now I am going to tie this. Blow more, blow more, blow more. Make it bigger. Now can you see both the balloons? It's filled. It's blown. Can you see the shape?
It is filled with air.
What is the shape of this balloon? Oval shape. See? Oval shape balloon. Okay. What did we blow in this? What was that? Air. We blew air. Now what is inside balloon? Air. What is inside this balloon? Air. Now I have tied this balloon and I have caught the air in this balloon. What is caught in this balloon? Air. So this is the experiment that shows air occupies space. Air occupies space. I have filled the air in this and I have tied it. So inside this balloon there is air. So it means air occupies space and takes the shape of that thing also. So what is the aim of this experiment? The aim of the experiment is to show that air occupies space. Air occupies space. And what are the materials required for it? Balloon. The materials required for this experiment is balloons. You need balloons. You are going to take the balloon and blow air. Then your balloon will be filled. What can you see? Your balloon first was like this, very small, and when you have filled air, your balloon becomes bigger. It looks either round shape or oval shape. So this is the observation. What is the observation? When we blow air in this, we have seen the balloon has become bigger and has taken an round or oval shape. It looks like a ball or oval shape. Then what is the conclusion? Conclusion means air occupies space. When air goes inside, air occupies space. This is the conclusion. So, your whole experiment is done. Okay.